There's this one thing that so many copywriters are really dumb about. And if you get smart about this, you're going to you have every potential in the world to double the results that you get from your copywriting. So what are most copywriters dumb about? They think that their copy is everything. They think that the copy that they write is like exactly what you need. And if you get the copy right, if you get the copywriting right, that it's going to be all that you need to close the sale, to make a whole bunch of money. And, to some degree that this myth has been perpetuated by copywriters who want to teach you how to write really good copy. And to some degree, it is also right. It is right because if your copy is really good, it makes everything else so much more powerful. And the best copywriters in the world are worth every penny that they are paid, and they're paid a fortune, because they are able to write copy that can generate results. But, copywriting is nothing if the rest of the marketing strategy is not right. So if you want to double your copywriting results, you have to understand marketing. You have to understand, there's this traditional truism or lesson from direct mail marketing that if you're looking at 100% of the results of a direct mail campaign, 40% of your success came from the list that you sent it to. 40% of your success came from the offer that you made, and 20% of the success came from the copy itself, the creative itself. And when copywriters with our gigantic egos look at that and look at the success of a direct mail campaign and say, yeah, I did it. Yes, maybe you made the difference between bad copy and good copy sent to the same list with the same offer. But the reality is, if the list isn't right, if you're not sending it to the right people, if you're not making the right offer, it doesn't matter how good your copy is. And today, with beyond direct mail, in online marketing and in the multi-channel, multimedia marketing landscape that we have today, it's about way more than just the list and the offer. There's the entire campaign strategy. And a great copywriter is not just a great writer. Being a great writer, it really is not nearly as valuable as understanding this is how you build a campaign. This is how great offers work. This is how you target a particular market. This is how you get all of that stuff working together. This is how you build everything that it takes to create a highly successful campaign. And yes, the words need to be right, but the words are a fraction of the total success. So as a copywriter, what are you doing that's holding you back? It's probably not the copy itself. What it probably is everything else, all the strategy, all of the understanding the customer journey, customer lifetime value, how you structure campaigns, how you build out a complete marketing system. And all of that contributes so greatly to the response of somebody actually landing on a page. So for example, even something as simple as, okay, here's a sales letter. Well, what are the different messages that are going out before it? What are the things going on around it? Once somebody responds to that sales letter, is there an additional offer behind that? How is that all structured? How is that all informed by the technology that we have available? Where are we driving traffic from? Who is that traffic? How are they pre-qualified for this offer? Is the offer the right thing in the first place? Is that all of that stuff, all of that? When you add all of that up and you really embrace this idea that a copywriter is, number one, a copywriter is a salesperson who puts their sales messages into media. But number two, selling, there's so much more to that. And the more you have all of the pieces of the whole working together, the more the copywriter becomes a marketer who understands all of marketing, the more powerful they will be and the more effective they will be as a copywriter. And so if there's one thing above anything else that's made me a great copywriter, it's that I've always embraced this as copywriting as part of a greater marketing strategy. And I never think of myself as just a copywriter. That may be like the main deliverable that I offer, but so many times the big difference that I make in my clients' business is not actually in writing copy. It's in having conversations with them and defining strategy and defining like, these are all the moving pieces, and defining, okay, this is like, let's change the offer. Let's shift the offer. Let's charge more, let's charge less, let's target a new audience, let's do all these different things that come out of a marketing perspective and not a copywriting perspective. And done right, that's will completely change your life, whether you are a copywriter for clients or you are a copywriter looking to build your own business by transforming into somebody that builds campaigns, that is a marketer more than a copywriter. It makes all the difference in the world. So my name is Roy Furr. This is a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, not Breakthrough Copywriting Secrets, Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Let me know in the comments below how much value you got out of this on a scale of 1 to 10 and why. What are your biggest takeaways, action items, insights, perspectives that you got from watching this video? Also click that like button before you go so you get more content like this delivered to you. Also, so the magical algorithms of the internet know to share it with more people like you who will like the video. And if you know somebody directly who would get value from it, you can share it with them directly. Plus subscribe. You can follow me here. You can also go to breakthroughmarketingsecrets.com, get my daily emails Monday through Friday, covering marketing, copywriting, business building, entrepreneurship, success, and a whole lot more. Hey, and if you're serious about going deep into all of these topics and really becoming a better marketer, I encourage you to check out the BTMS Insider, stands for Breakthrough Marketing Secrets Insiders training library at btmsinsiders.com. Again, the link is in the description. There's a ton of over 100 hours of training on all of these topics that will make you a better copywriter and marketer, and as a result, help you get much bigger results. Again, my name is Roy Furr. This is a video issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. I always go for 10 out of 10 value. I hope I nailed it today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.